SpaceX has announced one of its most ambitious projects yet, Terafab. Instead of relying on outside suppliers, the company plans to manufacture its own advanced AI chips in a massive, vertically integrated facility in Texas. With an initial investment of $16.8 billion, Terafab will combine every major step of chip production, from fabrication and memory manufacturing to advanced packaging and testing, all under one roof. These chips are expected to power Tesla's Optimus humanoid robots, autonomous vehicles, AI data centers, and future space technologies. The long-term goal is enormous, producing enough hardware to support more than 1 terawatt of AI computing capacity each year. According to Elon Musk, the world's current chip production simply can't keep up with the future demand for artificial intelligence. If successful, Terafab could reshape the AI hardware industry and become one of the largest semiconductor manufacturing facilities ever built.